Hey guys, this is Nick Gardner from Dirt King Fabrication, and we're really excited to introduce a new product. These are our performance lower control arms for the 2019 and newer GM 1500 vehicles. These have a bump stop pad, limit strap tabbing. They will allow for a aftermarket sway bar, and you can also run a 2.5 or 3.0 bypass. These have Moog heavy duty ball joints that are easily replaceable, and they use a OEM inner pivot bushing for factory ride quality. These arms are also going to be a stock width design, so they can be run by themselves, or they can be paired with our tubular or boxed upper control arms. For more information on this product or any others, check out dirtkingfabrication.com and make sure you check us out on Instagram at Dirt King.